Welcome for you in this course, Autobiographical Tale, James W. Johnson and Booker T. Washington. Congratulations for having this chance, and what can I say that I'm so proud to be with you. I am Maram Abdul Nasser Taj Taya. I am a Palestinian pharmacist, American Studies instructor, author and researcher who is teaching on Udemy. The autobiography is, in some manners, the tale of an individual trying to find out who he is, as the tale journeys around restlessly, searching and appreciating other people's existences. He is in seeking of something, although he does not recognize what it is until the close of his tale. The autobiography of an exiled man is a narration that chose to be an autobiography, whereas its composer is a black individual attempting to go over for the war. Johnson is a mulatto who has featured himself as a musician and musician. The domination of whites in the tale genre drove him to join his mission with his specially versatile tale type and thus adapts with the levels of white bourgeois community. Prepared and issued for common sale in 19,001, Booker's Up from Slavery has the framework of a building romance, and when the tale represents his childhood fights of becoming intellectual, placing an assurance on literacy as a beginning point for his vocation as an instructor at Tuskegee. The truth that Booker strove to arrive white audiences is clarified through his plans of building his autobiography according to white criteria. Public identities are of discovery in this course, as if social identities protrude and are pronounced with sets from various social, racial, educational, ethnic, native, lingual, and spiritual backgrounds participate societal area in public fields, in housing properties, at workplaces, and in schools. The aim of this course, therefore, is to discuss the shift of African American performances of identity in autobiographical existence, writing in James Weldon Johnson's The Autobiography of an Exiled Man and Booker T. Washington's Up from Slavery via examining at different hands that describe the autobiographical intense difficulties for African American authors in investigation of power and identity, like teaching, religion, political and public activities, bondage, reluctance, and flexibility, and the other joys and sufferings that one meets during his lifetime. Materials, method, and outline. This course is grounded in academic talks concerning the black literary imitation. The tactique will thus join literary and historical scope in order to supply an analysis of representations of identity that turn back in Johnson's and Washington's autobiographies. And when, in this course, only James W. Johnson's and Booker T. Washington's autobiographies are utilized as case studies, so both of them do not fabricate the case for Negro pictures of identity in all autobiographies are documented in the similar time interval. Concerning the main books, James W. Johnson's The Autobiography of an Exiled Man and Booker T. Washington's Up from Slavery, which my main section is about, this course utilizes a number of notions and topics that are explained and clarified through models, which show a detailed prudence into the manner in which autobiographies are built, and thus far, these books assist to analyze how personality in life writing participates in the picture of Negro agency and identity. What are the requirements in this course? No experience needed, but a passion to read autobiographical stories. What you will learn in this course? Memories and crossing, liberty and scientific stance, the notion of pain and intimidation, indentation, appearance and the X at the front of color, the substantial space and ethnic identity, ironic situation and Johnson's side, a white individual and wrenching side, self-formation, the significance of imitation, a vocabulary and metaphor, black identity, a spring publication, slave tales, the rebuilding satisfaction, Washington and Dubois discussion, education agenda, perception, social parity and achievement, self-representation and inveterate fatigue, unity, parity, liberty and democracy, human nature and opportunity, society, awareness and learning. Who this course is for? People from all over the world who have an interest in the following approaches: traditional slave tales, philosophy, American studies, the art of literature, cultural criticism, political economy, education, teaching and research in English, literature, ideology and social studies, cultural materialism, ethnic identity, a vocabulary and metaphor, self-formation, imitation, methodology, unity and social equality, self-representation, liberty and democracy, awareness and human nature, and scores only contains two main resources. Many thanks for your attention, and I'd like to invite you to register in this course or try the free preview if you want to explore further.